Hello and welcome to this daily market commentary for Friday, the 24th of January 2020. The end of the week is upon us, a week dominated by events in China and the spread of the coronavirus. However, Thursday's late day statement from the World Health Organization, better known as WHO, seems to have calmed traders' nerves, at least for now. As the Chinese New Year celebrations get underway, Asian stock markets make some minor gains in what was a particularly quiet session. However, Europe would see far more robust gains, with the DAX up over 200 points by the time Wall Street opens. For FX, the major currencies were all stuck in tight ranges ahead of the US Open. The only exception was sterling, which did its best impression of a roller coaster after better than expected PMI data. Initially, the pound would rally as high as 131.74 against the dollar, but would drop back below 131 before Europe ended the day. The US session started off in a similarly quiet manner, with the Dow Jones opening up about 100 points and FX happy to drift in tight ranges. But then the US CDC announced the second confirmed case of the coronavirus and is also monitoring a further 63 possible cases. Dollar yen drops from 109.60 to 109.35, and gold rallies from 15.62 to 15.74 in a matter of minutes. Aussie would retest weekly lows at 68.27. US stocks soon give up all their opening gains as negative sentiment takes over the markets. By the time Europe goes home, the Dow Jones is down almost 200 points and gold is up to 15.75, with yen crosses getting hit hard. Euro yen has dropped to a low of 120.42 from an overnight high of 121.26. The afternoon session sees further risk aversion as the Dow Jones drops over 200 points at one stage. In percentage terms, the S&P and Nasdaq suffer even more, both down almost 1% by the close. Dollar yen's break of support at 109.70 is now one and truly confirmed as we touch a low of 109.18, and euro dollar's break of 110.65.70 support area also looks clean as we touch a low of 110.20. Aussie's post-employment data gains are also long forgotten as we hit a low of 68.18. The calming effect of Thursday's World Health Organization statement is also a distant memory as we end the week with traders and pretty much the whole world wondering how this will play out. From a technical perspective, I'm going to take a look at euro yen. A week ago, we were looking at a topside break in euro yen as we traded through the 122.50.65 area, as you can see up here, and attempted to push higher as events in the Middle East had de-escalated particularly quickly. Friday sees us at the other end of the recent ranges, with the double bottom at 120.17 under threat, as you can see here. Below there, we have support at 120, both psychological and technical. But obviously, any adverse headlines about the coronavirus could push us below there. And as you can see, barring a couple of interim support levels, maybe around 119.65 and 119.25, it's pretty much fresh air all the way down to 117.10. Obviously, keep an eye on these headlines during the week, and watch out for any sharp moves on the back of them. I hope everyone had a good week and a good weekend, and look forward to speaking to you during the week. Cheers.